Good morning, student. So, this is the second part of this chapter called Desert Animal. So, last time we were talking about the behavior of this snake, what it give intimation if someone tries to disturb him. Now, moving on, last time we have learned about it makes a rattle sound and it will coil ready to bite. Coil means circle motion में हो जाला ready to bite, but the rattle itself cannot hear the noise its old tail makes. Like most snakes, it hears things through the vibration in the ground. So how many people says that a snake cannot see? Like that, this snake cannot hear its own voice. It tracks a person by vibration, vibration which comes from the ground. If a person walks nearby the snake can feel the movement. But if the same person were to shout, it would not hear anything. Whilst if you walk, it can feel that you are here. And if you will shout, it cannot hear because it doesn't have ears. Rattlesnakes are very common in widespread animal. Living right across the American continent from Canada to Argentina, they feed on a variety of prey including mice, voles, rat, chipmunks and many other. Mice means one type of a mouse. So what is voles? Voles are a small plant eating rodent. Voles. And rats, you know rats very well. So what is chipmunks? Chipmunks is a small ground squirrels having light and dark strips. Small animals, rattlesnake kill their prey with venom. Like all snakes, they swallow the unfortunate animals whole. Few snakes have to eat more than once a week, and some, such as a larger python, can survive for a year or more without eating. So, here basically in this paragraph, they are trying to show us about how this snakes survive or what is their foods, what do they eat, and how do they catch their prey. Prey means shikar. Moving on, mongoose like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for a dangerous predator nearby. So what is mongoose? Mongoose, here you can see this, we call in Hindi nevla. So this nevla is the enemy of snake, you might have noticed. So what is predator? Predator, an animal naturally preying on other. Predator. Predator. So some of them says predator or predator, but it is a predator. Poking their nose into holes, overrunning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Belted mongoose are very amusing animal to watch. The common sight in many parts of Africa. They travel in groups of about 20 to forage for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. So here mongoose are very fast in speed. They live in the burrow, and here they are trying to say that it travels a lot with its group. And what does it eat? Beetles, millipedes, and other small creature. Number 5. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. Always on the looks for danger, hawks, eagles, and large snakes. They warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. So in this number fifth one, they are trying to say that they have their own type of signal in that they make sound. Well, it is some type of danger. Number 6. Mongoose are famous for being able to kill snake without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually make a nuisance of themselves until after a while, when the snake gets tired, they quickly dive into for the kill. So mongoose can kill snake very easily because they can manipulate snake very easily by dodging because it has its own speed, which is more than a snake. All the female mongoose have their kitten at about the same time. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite mound or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stays behind to stand guard until the other return for the light. So in this, what here they are trying to say that male male mongoose go out for food and female mongoose stays at home to take care of their child to protect them from other creature. Another animal which lives in the desert is the camel. Okay, number 8. Another animal which live in the desert is the camel. Camels were the first domesticated by people many thousands years ago. In the wild, camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. Camels have long, shaggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter, tighter coats in the summer to keep cool. A 30 a thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. That's about 500 full glasses in just 10 minutes. Normally, however, it gets all the moisture it needs from desert plants and can survive for up to 10 months without drinking any water at all. So here another creature they are trying to, first it was mongoose, now another they are trying to say is a camel. It is very old creature. Thousands years ago people were using it, until today it is a sheep of the desert, and it drinks lot of water, more than 500 glass, that is full glass, and it can serve 500 full glass and it can stay for 10 minutes. It can complete within 10 minutes 500 glass, and it can stay without water for 10 months. Number 10. There are two different kinds of camel. One, known as the dromedary, has only a single hump. This is not a dromedary because it is having a two hump. Other is called the Bactrian camel and has two hump. The hump helps the animal to survive in the desert by acting as a storage container, but they don't store water as many people wrongly believe. They are full of fat. This fat nourishes the camel when food is scarce. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps drinks as the fat is used up. There are many other ways in which camels are adapted to desert life. Their mouths are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. So in this, they are saying of two different type of camel. One camel is having only one hump, but in this camel having two hump. Can you see here? So many people says that in this two hump they are storing water, but no, they are wrong. Here they store fat. This fat, what it does, it gives food if there is lack of food available. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you. I thank you so much for listening this chapter.